Okay, so what we have here is an Asus motherboard with a USB issue and network card issue. And what our user is stating is that they apply pressure to the Intel chip here and it causes the ports to start working. So what we're going to do is take and put it on the machine and take it and heat it up. Now when we received it, it was like this, so we're just going to go with it. Hopefully that heat pipe doesn't mess up, but for denotation, that's a P5E Deluxe Asus motherboard. So we're going to go with it and see what happens. So we're going to heat everything up and go from there. Okay, so we're allowing our board to get heated up, and we're actually going to have to probably do some manipulation to get this arm over top of it, but we're going to actually allow this to heat up, but we've put a cleaner on it to make sure that everything's good as far as that goes. So now we're going to start the warming process to go into the actual lighting it up and heating it with the IR system. Okay, so now we've started the heating process, and we're going to allow it to heat as it normally does, and do what it needs to do to actually get this system heated up and reset for the reflow. So we do notice some small amounts of smoke coming off of it, as we can see coming out the front here. That's just the cleaner that we're using, that we use to prep the board and prep the chipsets. So we're going to allow that to actually burn off. It's not a major problem, and we're going to allow the chipset to get the actual flow that it needs, and get what it needs to get done. So we're going to allow this to reflow itself and do what it needs to do, and then we're going to call it finished. We'll say this is done after this.